Hi guys, welcome on our channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing Halloween decorations inflatable. It's a giant size LED Reaper. So let's go.
Does that mean it has LED lights?
Yes.
And I think it's ready to go. Right. 3, 2, 1. Look at this hair. Look at this hair. It's so furry. Wait, let me see. Oh no! Oh, gold! Oh, gold! Oh my god! That is so big!
How do you like it?
I love it. I want to keep it. I want to keep it.
Yeah?
Can we keep it? This is the lantern. This is the lantern. That's the bird. Oh my god. This is...
Alright guys, if you like this content, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Or
We're
you're
gonna
gonna
show you
have
more.
spiders in your bed.
We're gonna show you more in next videos.
Alright, bye! Bye! Like and subscribe.
Okay, let's turn it off.
Wait, can I do it? Let's do it together. Oh god, the phone! Destroy him! Destroy!
Alright guys, don't forget we're gonna do it during the night time again. So we're gonna do it again
At night?
at night.
Okay.
Bye. Alright guys, welcome during the night time. We're gonna turn them on during the night.
Okay, now it's nighttime. Let's go. I'm going. Who's just gonna wait first? Oh no. Good. Then here you go.
Just one, don't. Guys, how do you like them?
I love it. I love it. Okay, so personally, I love these guys. Comment down below how you like them. Rate it out of 10. But I'd say these are our solid 8s. Yeah, I know. I mean, the pumpkin is definitely a 9. It could be better, but I'm gonna rate these skeletons. I love the crow. I love how much they detail they had. And back in like 2017, they had like not that much detail. He got a lantern. Look at the detail on the face expression. He looks like he's about to hunt some trees. He got the crow, the claws. I mean the hands of the arm. Yeah.
You,
That looks great.
you're right, Max.
Rate the Reaper a 9, and I would have to rate these skeletons like a 6. I rate them on 8.
You rate them.
I don't like the skeletons as much as the Reaper. They're not even scary.
The Reaper is scary.
If you added some peepers to it, this would be cute. Yeah. This would probably scale like a 4 or 5-year-old person. And this is like 1 or 2. That is
Okay, that's it. All right, so
Alright guys, Alright guys, look at the clip.
I'm gonna see you next videos. Bye.
Next video.
Bye.